Hello everyone, it's me Amaya, and today I'm going to unbox this amazing unicorn electric set. So you can see it because it's in the packaging right now. So I'm going to unbox it today. So let me just show you this bag first. I mean, it's not important at all, but it's just so beautiful. Like, look at this cute unicorn, and this written flower dreams, and I don't know what this is written. Is this the company's name? And number 819. It's not really important to show you this at all, but if you want to buy it just in case. So from the back it has a design like this. It's pretty cute. So let's start unboxing it now. So now let's open it in 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's so beautiful, right? Look at it. I just love it. Even the packaging is so detailed, and like everything is detailed. It was just the packaging, so it's a bit hard to open. Ouch, mama, my ankle. Whoa. So as I was saying, like, this is so cute. Look at it. We have got a vacuum cleaner here, and this is a sharpener, some stapler pins, an electric eraser, and some cute pencils. And we've also got some extra erasers for this one, whatever they're called. And we've got some extra sharpeners for this big, enormous sharpener. And this is the stapler. It's so cute, even though it's just a pink colored stapler, right? So let me keep it here. And then we have a hole puncher here. This thing is just to keep it closed. So these are all the stuff that we have got. Now let's use it. So you need batteries for some of them, obviously, because these are electric. So how we use this one is like, let me close it properly. So we click here, and then we do like this to clean the eraser crumbs. See, it's making noise. Now we have to press again to close it. I mean, stop it. And this is the sharpener. So from the in front, it has a cute unicorn, and it says magic, if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah. And from the back, you have the sharpener. And next is this electric eraser, as I told you. This one is also pretty simple. You just have to click it here, and this eraser thing spins so fast. It's actually kind of satisfying to touch it. So I think it's mostly for artists and not for me, but I can have it. I can have some artist stuff. Yeah, so you just have to click it here. If you can, there's also some sound to it if you can hear. See? So let me just keep it here. And these are just the stapler pins, as you can see. And these are the pencils. So let me take out one and show you. These are just regular pencils, graphite pencils. And this is stapler. I'm just showing you the stuff I've already showed you before, but just for a close look. And obviously you know how to use a stapler, right? And I don't need to show you this hole puncher because I have already shown you how it works. So let's actually use it now. Let me open a page from my diary now. Let's now shed this pencil. You just take it. It's so hard. By the way, if you can hear some sounds from outside, it's probably a marriage going over there. Oh my god, this is so cool. And this sharpener is fully automatic. You just have to put the pencil in there and do nothing. Just press it kind of like this, and it moves. Like, it sharpens the pencil so well. See, I'm just putting it in here, and this is just spinning itself. It's so cool. Like, it's fully automatic. You need to do almost nothing except just to put the pencil in there. So let's actually draw a heart with it. I'm not good at drawing hearts, sorry, but So now we're going to use this electric eraser. I'm so excited to use this because when I had seen other YouTubers doing it, it was looking so satisfying. So we just have to erase this. Whoa, it's cleaning so good. It's fully automatic, just like the sharpener. Like, it's so satisfying. Now I'm going to use the vacuum cleaner. Let me just put this inside. So as I had shown you earlier, we just have to press here. And first, let me just show you all the mess I've made erasing. Actually, I really want to try if it removes these pencil crumbs. So let me just put a bit. I really want to test out. I'm sure it won't. Let's try to crush it a bit because obviously it's hard to do it. So I have thrown a bit trash on here. So for example, I accidentally threw a lot of trash here. So we just use this vacuum cleaner. Let's use it now just to check. Oh my god, it's working. Look, it's just picking all this stuff. It's kind of working. Like, I didn't expect this working. All nice and clean. And you know where the eraser and the dust particles go? It goes into here. See? You can see it. I don't want to throw it all again. It was so exciting to use this. Use this vacuum cleaner. So far, this vacuum cleaner is my favorite. I wish that I don't get punished by my mother because she is always so angry. Obviously, mothers are kind of scary at times. Huh? So now we're gonna use this normal stapler. I mean, this stapler pin box is even so cute. Like, it doesn't have to be cute at all, but everything is cute. I love unicorns though. I'm a unicorn fan, so I've picked some staplers. Do you know stapler hack? I sometimes color the stapler and then the stapler pins, color the stapler pins, and it's so cute. Like, the staplers I have are hard to close like this, but this one has a magnet here, so it's so easy. So this is just a normal stapler, as you can see. It also works pretty good. Now we're gonna put this here, and let me try using this hole puncher. I have already used this in front of you, but again, obviously, I really want. I mean, it's so satisfying using it, you know. Again. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Can you hear the sound? Because I don't think you can, but the sound I can hear is so satisfying. Oh my god, I want to do this again and again. Let me just do this. So let me just show you these things. These are the stuff to make diary stuff. So as I told you earlier, I'm not gonna use this because it's so hard to open, you know. So let me just show you this. It's just used to make a diary kind of thing. So it's so good, convenient though. So this is for some extra erasers for this electric eraser thingy, as you can see. So if you have ran out of eraser, you can take some extras from this one. Let me just keep this. It's so satisfying using all of them. I didn't expect it to be so satisfying, right? I wish you could hear those sounds it's making, especially this hole puncher. It's so satisfying. I just love the sound of this. And we've also got the instruction manual here, but I don't understand anything because it's in Chinese, probably. See? But if you're Chinese, you're kind of lucky. I mean, I don't want to be Chinese. That's not good to say that though. But I cannot understand anything. I actually used my father's phone to translate it in English, but still it was useless because I already knew how to use all of them. Except this one, because I had thought we use it like this. So I was kind of confused, thinking, why isn't it working? Then I went to search on YouTube, and we had to use it from here. Like, YouTube is my teacher, literally. Like, anyone can relate this. So let me just keep it here, pack it all again. I actually got it from one of my mother's friends' husband. Gave this present to me because I came first in school for the English Olympiad. It's kind of, if you don't know what Olympiad is, it's like an international competition kind of thing. So I had chose English, as you know. So I came first in my school, and I will have a gold medal after some days when I come in 4th grade. I'm in 3rd grade right now, and it's my final exams time. I'm just making these videos for you guys. So yeah, kind of sneaky. I really want to know what's written here, though. I mean, I just came out of like anything, but you know. And the real product is way better than it's showing here. Well, I think obviously because it doesn't have any color to it, you know. So yeah, don't forget to like and share this video. So thanks for watching this video. Bye!